Hey everybody, Adam with HTS Ag here. Got some really exciting news. We've got the new Mavic Mini from DJI. Not only is this an unboxing of this new product, but this is also the very drone we are going to be giving away at each of the trade shows that we're attending this year. Starting next week at the Nebraska Power Farming Show in Lincoln. Come find us to register. You must be present to sign up at the show, and you can have your chance to win one of 4 of these. We'll be giving away one at each of the 4 trade shows. That being said, let's go ahead and open this thing up. This new product from DJI, you can see we are taking the plastic off of it right now. So this is not one of those staged openings where we've already had it out of the box. This is a brand new product. This is first time the box is getting opened. This is incredibly light and incredibly small. It gives us the opportunity to have a very compact package and still have some performance here. So you can see this is a very, very small product. Let's put this in perspective. I'm sitting next to a pop can, folded up. This drone is about the same size. Very, very light. At 249 grams, this aircraft actually comes in underneath of the FAA requirements to even register it. Now, we would still suggest registering the drone since there's only a $5 fee to register with the FAA. Makes a lot of sense to go ahead and register that product. But very, very light, which means it's very safe. We've got the drone, we've got the controller, and DJI has a new app to go with this drone. It's called the DJI Fly app. This drone is going to have a range of about 30 minutes on the battery. Controller, you can fold out, put your phone or small tablet in there. The joysticks are actually removable, makes it easier to put into a bag and carry with you. So it makes this drone very, very portable, very easy to take with you. You know, much like the smartphone that you have in your pocket, the camera you have with you is the camera that you use. In the case of a small drone like this, it's easily portable. With a 30-minute flight time and a range that would exceed 4 miles, you should have absolutely no problems using this for whatever you would want to use it for. Let's go ahead and open up the drone itself here. So it's got some tape and some stickers on it we're going to peel off. You can see it folds out just like its big brother, the Mavic Pro 2 that we've been selling for quite a while. All 4 of those legs fold out, and there it is. We've got a really great little compact package and a very affordable price point. Not to mention 4 of these we're going to be giving away at the trade shows that we are at this year. So come see us at a trade show, sign up to win one of these. If you don't want to wait to win one, give us a call and we can sure get one ordered for you. We've got a slug of these that have come in for inventory now, so we do have them available.